Hello my friend and welcome to maxdmcrafting. In this series I will take you hand in hand on a journey through my best dungeon sets. I will show you their composition, some of the ideas that have made them famous on the tabletop gaming community. We will see together some of the most amazing of my underground scenarios, going from very intricate sets like my Silent Tomb to very large sets like those inspired by famous video games such as Diablo or Skyrim. Each of the videos will deal with a specific set. Remember to subscribe on the channel and click on the notification bell to not miss a single episode. If you like my content and want to see more, you can support the channel on Patreon. Every week, exclusive content and the security of allowing the channel to continue and do better and better. That being said, let's get started.